TEG2216D and TEG2224D are 16-port and 24-port smart managed switches, respectively. Both products support app management and cloud web platform management. The visual management page can clearly display the port status and support VLAN configuration on mobile phone. Enable network management functions such as loop guard and DHCP snooping on mobile phone. App management is not only convenient, also can save maintenance cost. TEG2216D and TEG2224D, all ports are Gigabit ports. Application scenario in the office. Adequate network ports can be provided when connecting printers, computers, servers, APs, and other terminal devices. They also meet the needs of VLAN isolation. In the monitoring scenario, when connected DC cameras, all ports can be connected to 800W cameras. They have a lightning protection rating up to 6 kV. It can effectively reduce the probability of port being damaged by surge. Stable network can improve user experience. Applicable to SMBs, hotels, communities, and other scenarios.